Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb for AskMrGreenThumb.com. You want to raise Alyssum from seed? Well, it's easy to do. Now remember, it's a tiny little plant and it has tiny little seeds. The smaller the seed, well, you're going to get a bunch of little seeds that you're going to plant maybe, an eighth of an inch deep or less. Just plant them and kind of just barely poke them into the soil. Make sure you have a good sterile potting soil and one that has peat, has perlite. And you're going to make sure the seed stays moist. Remember that tiny little seed doesn't have much of a reserve. So if it gets very dry, it's going to die real quickly. Keep those seeds moist. That means watering those seeds probably once or twice a day. If they get very dry, well, you won't have a good crop. Alyssum, of course, has a tiny little white flower, and it has a nice little kind of a honey scent to it. Honey and sweet. It's a beautiful little plant, and it's easy to graze from seed. When you do start them, plant them in near full sun. Now they are time sensitive. Usually there's certain times that you're going to see on the package of seeds that you either plant them either in the early spring or maybe in the fall. Watch the dates, watch the times. They don't like a lot of heat and they don't like too much cold. So certainly, as most annuals, you're going to have to be time sensitive as when do you plant them. You can store them by letting the little seed go into a little package or storing it in a little paper towel. For raising Alyssum, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb.